Make a great choice today with
The 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, tow hitch, lane departure warning, power lift gate, Bluetooth, power steering, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, MP3 player. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.